Hi, my name is Doug Wilson. I'm the Director of Security here at Uptycs. In this video today, we're going to show how you can use Uptycs to download and install and configure osquery on Ubuntu or other Debian package-based Linux systems. So we can get you up and running on Uptycs in just a few minutes. So right now, I'm logged into my Uptycs account, and I currently have my assets filtered if you go so that you can't see my other assets. But what we're going to see is when I have the machine installed and talking to Uptycs, it will appear on this screen. So when we want to get a new package from Uptycs, we go to the configuration screen and we go to download asset package. We then select the package type that we want, in this case Ubuntu or Debian, and we're going to hit download. There'll be a few moment pause while the Uptycs installation generates the package that we need, and then you'll see it downloading in the lower left-hand corner. There it goes. You then have to figure out how to transfer it from whatever machine you've downloaded onto your Ubuntu box or server. Usually you can use FCP or FTP or SSH or a variety of other methods. I'm just going to leave that as an exercise for you for right now. So I'm going to pull up my Ubuntu box now, and you're going to see that we basically have the same file that I just downloaded already on this box, assuming I secure copied it there. And we're going to use the dpackage command to install it. Oh, just to show you right now, if I run osquery, nothing happens because osquery is not installed. So do -I to install, name of the package, and hit enter. Notice I'm doing the sudo for elevated privileges so I can install it with administrative rights. And we wait a few moments. And there we are. We've got osquery. But also, in that very short period of time, if we go back to our assets now, we could see that that is already online and talking to Uptycs. So with that simple installation, you didn't have to do any additional work. Not only do you have osquery installed for command line use locally, but you're automatically talking to Uptycs, and Uptycs is automatically doing scheduled queries, asking questions in your boxes under Uptycs management. And it was just that simple. So what we did, again, is we went to the configuration section. We went to download an asset package. We selected the type of package that we needed. We downloaded it. Once it was downloaded, we went and copied it to our machine and installed it using the dpackage command, which is right there. Once it was installed, we were able to run osquery locally, and also we're able to now see it in the Uptycs console, and it's under management by Uptycs and is recording data to the Uptycs cloud. I hope that this video was useful, and I hope that you join us for future videos soon. Thanks. Bye.